In this video, I will introduce some brand new programs that you can earn good money online, doing nothing even while you are sleeping. Most of these programs are available all over the world. The first app is called Evidation, which basically just pays you for actions like walking and sleeping more. So basically it's healthy app that helps you track your sleep and steps, but also pays you. And why? It's because when you actually access the app, it shows a lot of ads, and it also collects some data from you, and then they use that data for research, and that's why they actually pay their millions of users to go sleep. So you don't really need to do any extra work. Just install it on your phone and just put your phone in your pocket and sleepwalk. It basically gives you points that you can exchange for real money. The next app is called Earn FM, and basically the earning here is by sharing internet data, and with this one you do almost nothing extra, and you just put your phone in your pocket and you can start passively earn money, and you can track your inventory. You can track how much you earn now. There's a lot of data to share, so it won't really pay you much, but it will pay you to do almost nothing and get paid even while you sleep. Program 3 literally pays you to sleep, and it's called Sleep Pro. Basically it pays you $100 to sleep, and you can get paid anywhere from $32 to $119 an hour. So when you sleep, there are a variety of sleep products, like you will be testing headphone, cushion pads, and more. So you are actually testing the products, and just give your honest feedback. Now for this app only you have to be in the US. TikTok's next number program, where you can earn hundreds of dollars from the TikTok creative program. Post videos longer than a minute, you can actually get paid very well, like $1 or $2 per 1,000 views. You can even get a free YouTube tutorial that you can watch just for TikTok creatively app. You can learn how to actually access it from any country in the world, because I know the app is not available in some countries. The next app is called Earn App, which gives you passive income when your device are retesting, and obviously the more devices you have, the more you can earn. And basically the way it works is you basically just download and install it, and they just collect some data in the background. You can just sign up with Google or Apple, and you can use this one. Again, it doesn't cost you much. Maybe you can earn around $20 a month, but it's still good that you literally got paid to do nothing. The next app is Sound Campaign, which pays you literally for doing nothing. You can do it in your spare time, or like when you're lying in bed, you can just play some music. When you listen to music, can you pay for it? Get paid. Basically you can get paid $14 for every thing you listen to, and the things are usually 2 or 3 minutes line. So what they're looking for is they're just looking for honest feedback. You just tell them that in What do you think about the thing you just listened to? So they also have instant payments and you can receive from any country around the world. The world basically helps them create the music by providing honest feedback, and you can basically listen to get paid for music.